Hello, fourth graders. Welcome to lesson 1.8, problem solving, comparison problems with addition and subtraction. Please pause to write the lesson number and title in your notebook. Today's lesson objective is I can draw a diagram to show comparison problems with addition and subtraction. Please pause to write the lesson objective in your notebook. Let's read this lesson's Unlock the Problem together. Then we will find and underline our important information. So it says, a hot air balloon festival draws large crowds of people. The attendance on the first day was 17,350. On the second day, the attendance was 18,928. And I'm underlining those numbers because I might want to be able to come back to them. Then here's our question. How many more people visited the hot air balloon on the second day? So how many more tells us that we're going to do the operation of subtracting. Now, below the Unlock the Problem, you have a diagram. Let's fill that out together with some of the information we just underlined. In our first box, it says, what do we need to find? Well, our question that we underlined was we want to know how many more people attended the festival on the second day. Let's write it. All right, what do we need to use in order to find this? Well, we know that on the first day, look up above to your Unlock the Problem, 17,350 people went. And on the second day, 18,925 people went. The next box says, how are we going to use this information? Well, we are going to draw a diagram. Now, in the Solve the Problem box, we have two bar models, one representing the second day and one representing the first. You can see that the second day, the bar has 18,925, and the first day had 17,350. And the second bar is not quite as long as the first bar. That's because one number is bigger than the other. So we subtract to find out which one is bigger. Let's do it to the side. 18,925, and then underneath it we'll line up 17,350. 5 minus 0 is 5. 2 minus 5 I can't do, so I have to borrow from my 9. That becomes an 8. Then I have 12. 12 minus 5 is 7. Moving on to our next column, we have 8 minus 3 is 5. Then 8 minus 7 is 1. And 1 minus 1 is 0. So our difference is 1,575. So 1,575 more people went on the second day than went on the first day. We will try another problem like this tomorrow in class. You're almost finished. Please go back to your teacher's website and complete the exit slip. See you tomorrow.